Hi! In front of me is Realme C31 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, you need to locate Sound Recorder app and click on it. Now select Agree and tap on while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same middle one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now click on the right one again. And as you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it. Select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on rename, type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and click on OK. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it one more time, but this time click on this bin icon at the top right corner and select allow. As you can see now, it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!